क्लास 10 साइंस के सीरीज़ में आपका स्वागत है। ये वाला पार्ट, ये 2 पार्ट पहले बन चुके हैं, ये तीसरा पार्ट है। अगर ये पार्ट आपको समझना है तो प्लीज़ पार्ट 2 को फॉलो करिए, ठीक है। सो व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड earlier अबाउट द केमिकल रिएक्शंस, अबाउट द केमिकल इक्वेशंस, हाउ टू बैलेंस द केमिकल इक्वेशन, okay, and we have already discussed how to balance the chemical equation type 1. In this video we will discuss the questions on the how to balance the chemical equation type 2. So just move on the video, and we are here with the slide 1. okay, here you can see this type of question you will see in your exams. So here the equation is given on you, given hydrogen plus chlorine, given you hydrogen chloride. So what you have to do in this, how to solve this question? In this question you have to put down the symbol for each elements and balance the equation which you have write for it. So write, okay, for the hydrogen we use H2, okay, for the chlorine we use Cl2, okay, for the hydrogen chloride, so what you will use? HCl. okay, now look, this is balanced or unbalanced? How many hydrogen here? Left hand side 2, and here only 1. How many chlorine here? 2 chlorine. And how many chlorine here? Only 1 chlorine. So this is unbalanced. So what you will do? Just put down here 2 and this will become balanced. Okay, now look the answer. For the hydrogen we use here H2, for the chlorine Cl2, and for the hydrogen chloride HCl. For the balancing it, we have to write down the put 2. Now how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens right hand side, and here is also 2 hydrogens. And the right hand side, how many chlorine? 2 chlorine, since 2 is multiplied. Okay, how many chlorine? Yes, 2 chlorines. So now this is balanced. Like this you have to do all the questions. Okay, so let's move on the slide 2. In this question you can see the question is given barium chloride, aluminium sulfate. okay, प्रोडक्ट में क्या मिल रहा है हमें? बेरियम सल्फेट और एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड. बेरियम क्लोराइड BaCl2, एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट Al2SO4 होल थ्राइस, बेरियम सल्फेट BaSO4, एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड AlCl3. okay, for this how we will make the formula for the given equation? So how we will make? Just for the barium, put down the barium for the symbol for the barium. okay, for the chloride, अगर आपको सारे फॉर्मूले याद हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, अगर नहीं याद है तो यू हैव टू मेक. वो आपने 9th क्लास में सीखा हुआ है. कैसे करते थे? बेरियम क्या नीचे उसकी वैलेंसी लिखते थे. बेरियम की वैलेंसी होती है 2, क्लोरीन की होती है 1, और हम इसका आपस में क्या कर देते थे? मल्टीप्लाई कर देते थे ना, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देते थे. तो इस तरीके से बेरियम बन जाता था. यहाँ पर देखें जरा, तो क्या बनता था हमारा फॉर्मूला? बेरियम के लिए Ba, ठीक है. अब सिंस 1 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो कुछ नहीं, ठीक है, Ba, और ये किससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा? Cl2, ठीक है. तो फॉर्मूला हमारे पास आएगा बेरियम क्लोराइड का BaCl2. अगर आपने ये सब चीज़ें 9th क्लास में सीखी हुई है तो मैं ये इसमें 10th क्लास में डिस्कस नहीं करूँगा. मैं सीधे इसके फॉर्मूला आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ. तो इसके इक्वेशन किस तरीके से लिखेंगे हम? देखो ज़रा, बेरियम के लिए हमने क्या हुई? बेरियम क्लोराइड BaCl2. ओके, or aluminum sulfate Al2, sorry here should be SO4, okay, there should be 4, Al2SO4 का whole thrice, okay, प्रोडक्ट का मेरा हमें बेरियम सल्फेट BaSO4 और एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड AlCl3, okay. Now we will look this is balanced or unbalanced. How many barium is here? 1 barium, okay. How many chlorine? 2 chlorine. What here? 3 chlorine. So we will balance this. How we will balance? Just put down here 3, okay, and put down here 2. Now look. How many chlorine? Since 3 multiplied by 2, how many chlorine? 6 chlorine. Here how many chlorine? 2 multiplied by 3, 6 chlorine. Chlorine has balanced. Now since barium is also included with the chlorine, so barium will become 3. So here only 1 barium, so you will also multiply 3. So barium also balance. How many barium? 3 barium, okay. Now look, how many aluminum? Look here, look on the cursor, 2 aluminum. Now to multiply aluminum, so it will become 2 aluminum, okay. How many SO4? हम only कोष्टक में है, याद रखना, this is in a bracket, so this 3 is also only multiply with this SO4. So how many SO4 is there? 3 SO4. Look, 3 multiply with SO4, how many SO4? Now this is balanced. So अब नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे चलते हैं, ठीक है. तो मैंने वही आपको बताया था कि किस तरीके से बेरियम क्लोराइड का फॉर्मूला फॉर्म होगा. तो वीडियो को यहाँ पे आप पॉज करेंगे और इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे. अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो उसके बाद आप इसका सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे, ठीक है. फॉर द सोडियम के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं Na, वाटर के लिए H2O और सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के लिए यूज़ करते हैं NaOH फॉर द हाइड्रोजन H2. नाउ लुक द इक्वेशन फॉर दिस. हियर इज Na, okay, H2O, okay, NaOH, okay, plus H2. Now look, this is balanced or unbalanced. How many sodium here? 1. And how many? Okay, here 1, okay. How many hydrogen here? 2 hydrogen. What here? 3 hydrogen. So we have to, what you will do? You will balance the given hydrogen. So write down here 2, okay, write down here 2. Here is sodium, now become 2, so here is also become sodium 2, okay. Now how many hydrogen here? 2 multiply, how many? 2 and 2, 4. So just multiply here 2. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. And how many oxygen? 2 oxygen. Now this is balanced, okay. If you are not understanding this, please I am recommending you, please watch the part 2 of this video, okay. So your concept will clear, and plus try to do with yourself. And then I already told this is the work for practice. आप जितनी प्रैक्टिस करोगे आप उतना इम्प्रूवमेंट आप में देखने को मिलेगा, ठीक है. हम मूव करते हैं आगे की तरफ. यहाँ पर क्या है? कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का फॉर्मूला होता है CaOH का होल ट्वाइस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड CO2, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट CaCO3, वाटर H2O. For the calcium hydroxide, look the equation for it. CaOH का होल ट्वाइस CO2 और COCO3 plus H2O. Now look, this is balanced or unbalanced. Look, how many chlorine? Sorry, calcium. 2 calcium. Sorry, 1 calcium here. How many? Since this 2 is multiplied with this only कोष्टक, तो how many oxygen? 2 oxygen. And how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. Okay. Look here. How many oxygen? We count 2 here, 2 oxygen here, and 2 oxygen here. Total oxygen कितने हमारे पास? 4 ऑक्सीजन है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. हमने देखा राइट हैंड साइड में कितने ऑक्सीजन है? 3 ऑक्सीजन जहाँ पर है और 1 ऑक्सीजन जहाँ पर है, मतलब कि यहाँ पर भी 4 ऑक्सीजन है. तो ये बैलेंस है. ओके, हाउ मेनी कार्बन? 1 कार्बन एयर. ओके, 1 कार्बन एयर, सो नो प्रॉब्लम. हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन? 2 hydrogen. Here also 2 hydrogen. So this is balanced. So there is no need to balance it. This is already balanced. Now move with the another slide. Okay, here is zinc, Zn, silver nitrate, okay, AgNO3, okay, zinc nitrate, Zn, NO3 का ऑल ट्वाइस प्लस सिल्वर Ag. देखें ज़रा इसकी इक्वेशन किस तरह बनेगी. आपको मैं रिकमेंड करूँगा, आपको अगर इसका बेनिफिट लेना है इस वीडियो का, तो आप पहले वीडियो को पॉज करें, उसके बाद इसका सॉल्यूशन खुद बनाएं. अगर सॉल्यूशन नहीं आ पा रहा है तब आप इसका आंसर देखें. अगर आप ऐसे उसको सिर्फ वीडियो की तरह देखेंगे तो आपके कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं हो पाएंगे. सो आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू, इफ़ यू वांट टू इम्प्रूवमेंट विथ योर कॉन्सेप्ट, सो प्लीज़ डू विथ योर सेल्फ एंड ट्राई टू कीप ऑन दी स्टडी एंड ट्राई टू make more and more question on it. So how many zinc here? One zinc, and here also one zinc. So this is balanced. Now how many NO3? Since NO3 in bracket and multiply by Z. So how many NO3? NO3 what? Nitrate. How many NO3 is 2 NO3? What here? Only one NO3. So just multiply with 2. Okay, now how many silver is here? 2 silver. So now put here 2. So this equation will become balanced. Okay, look, how many Zn? 1 Zn. Okay, how many Ag? 2 Ag. Here 2 Ag. How many NO3? 2 NO3. Also 2 NO3. Okay, now let's move with the another bit. Let's move with the another slide. In this slide, aluminium, copper chloride, aluminium Al, copper chloride Cu, Cl2, okay, aluminium chloride Al, Cl3, copper Cu. Now look the equation for this. Okay, now we will see this is balanced or unbalanced. How many aluminium here? 1 aluminium. Okay, how many copper here? 1 copper here and 1 copper here. Okay, but you can see how many chlorine here? 2 chlorine, and in the right side 3 chlorine. So this is unbalanced. So how we will balance? Just we will put 4 to 3 6. Okay, write down here 2 chlorine, so here will become 6 chlorine, and write down here 3, so this will become 6 chlorine. Now chlorine is balanced, but how many aluminium will become? 2, so we have to put 2 here. Okay, for copper this is 3. Now this is balanced. Look, how many aluminium? 2 aluminium. In the right hand side, how many aluminium? 2 aluminium. Okay, how many copper? 3 copper. Okay, 3 copper. How many Cl2? Since 2 Cl multiply by 3, 6 Cl2. Okay, here also 6 Cl2. Okay, now this is balanced. So I am also now again I am saying the same thing. If you want to take a benefit from this video, please pause the video and try to solve this question with yourself. If you not do, then this is your responsibility. You will not clear this concept. This is very basic concept. If you clear this, and then in this chapter you don't have any problem with the reaction. Otherwise you have to memorize all the equations, what amount of each atom you have to take. So this will become very difficult to you to remember. This is very easy concept to learn. If you learn this chapter will become very easy to you, because in this chapter you will see many equation is used, so you have to learn this concept anyhow. Okay, now we are moving with the 7th question. Barium chloride BaCl2, potassium sulfate K2SO4. okay, barium sulfate BaSO4, potassium chloride KCl. So now look the equation for the given equation, this one. Now we will what do? Now we will check. Please pause the video and try to do with yourself. If you do not get the answer, then resume your video and look the answer for it. How many barium? Left hand side 1 barium and right hand side 1 barium. Barium is okay. How many chlorine? 2 chlorine. In the left hand side and right hand side only 1 chlorine. So what you will do? Put down here 2. Look how many potassium here? K2, Ne2. Here also 2. This is also balanced. How many SO4? Only 1. This is now. This equation will become okay. Now we are moving with the. These are the solution for the given equations. If you are do with yourself, please correct and check your answer. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss type of the chemical equations, compound chemical equation, displacement chemical equation, double displacement chemical equation, exothermic chemical equation, endothermic chemical equation. All these types of chemical equation we will discuss in the next video. Please वीडियो को पूरा देखें और जिस तरीके से आपको बोल रहा हूँ उस तरीके से वीडियो को देखें तो आप इस वीडियो का फायदा होगा. अदरवाइज just like a movie, if you are watching, so this will not beneficial to you. Okay, so please be sincere with yourself if you want to benefit from these videos. Thank you.